Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting planet. The planet name is Jupiter. Jupiter is going to combust in Capricorn sign from 19th Jan 2021 to 16th of Feb 2021. 28 days Jupiter is going to combust. Combust planet mean, what is the meaning of combust planet? When any planet is matching the degree with sun, like if Jupiter, Saturn or Mercury or Venus, any planet, if they conjunction with sun and they are very near to the degree, like if they are under 5 to 7 degree, then another planet will become combust. जुपिटर सूर्य के अगर डिग्रीकली पास आ जाएं, सूर्य, शनि, शुक्र, बुध, कोई भी प्लैनेट, मंगल, कोई भी प्लैनेट अगर सूर्य के डिग्रीकली पास आ जाए तो वो कंबस्ट हो जाता है। कंबस्ट होने का मतलब होता है कि ये प्लैनेट अपना जो पावर है वो छोड़ रहा है, वो अब अपना पावर 28 डेज़ के लिए नहीं देगा। लाइक जुपिटर अगर कैप्रिकॉर्न में है और वहाँ पर कंबस्ट हो रहे हैं और शनि भी वहाँ पर कंबस्ट हैं, तो ये जो एक बहुत बड़ा एक इवेंट्स ज़िंदगी में, वर्ल्ड में होने वाले हैं। यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव इवेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव इवेंट भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जो नेगेटिव इवेंट्स क्या रेशो होगा वो 70% रहेगा वर्ल्ड लेवल पे। जैसे एक बार फिर से कोरोना का तेज हो जाना, या ह्यूमैनिटी पे कोई डेंजर जोन आ जाना, या किसी दो मुल्कों का आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाना, या कुछ भी ऐसा अर्थक्वेक हो जाना, अर्थक्वेक आ जाना। जुपिटर सैटर्न प्ले अ बिग रोल इन सोलर सिस्टम एंड दे बोथ आर कंबस्ट फ्रॉम जैन टू फैब मिड। खास करके ये वीडियो मेरा जुपिटर का है, सैटर्न पे मैं ऑलरेडी वीडियो बना चुका हूँ। तो जुपिटर कब कंबस्ट हो रहे हैं, आप इस डेट को नोट कर लें और ध्यान में रख के चलें। अगर आपके ऊपर गुरु की दशा चल रही है, अंतरदशा चल रही है, तो कोई भी मेन काम इस समय में अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो आपके लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। अब कंबस्ट प्लैनेट है और आपके ऊपर अगर उसकी महादशा या अंतरदशा चल रही है तो आपको उसका रिजल्ट ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेगा। सो गाइज, जो जुपिटर का कंबस्ट पीरियड है वो 19th Jan 2021 6:24 PM टू 16th Feb 2021 6:18 AM, यानी 6:24 19 जनवरी 2021 से लेकर 16 फरवरी 2021 6:18 AM तक जो जुपिटर है वो कैप्रिकॉर्न में कंबस्ट रहेंगे। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा हर एक असेंडेंस के हिसाब से जो ये प्लैनेट कंबस्ट हो रहे हैं इनका क्या पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव रिजल्ट देखने को मिलेगा। सबसे पहले बात करेंगे एरिस असेंडेंस की। 10th हाउस में जुपिटर कंबस्ट हो रहे हैं, इस समय में सैटर्न भी कंबस्ट रहेंगे। सैटर्न का कंबस्ट टाइम है 8th Jan से लेकर 9th Feb और जुपिटर का कंबस्ट टाइम है 19th Jan से लेकर 16th Feb। ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम आपका जो मेजर वर्क है, जो मेन स्ट्रीमलाइन वर्क है, उसमें थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आएगी। काम होते रहेंगे, ये नहीं कि काम रुक जाएंगे, काम होंगे, लेकिन उस तरह से नहीं होंगे जिस तरह से आप एक्सपेक्टेड हो। आपके नेम फेम में, प्रोफेशन में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ेगा। आप अपने टारगेट्स पूरे नहीं कर पाएंगे। यू आर ट्राइंग टू फुलफिल योर 100% बेस्ट बट यू आर फेल टू डिलीवर योर बेस्ट एट योर वर्क प्लेस बिकॉज जुपिटर इज कंबस्ट, सैटर्न इज कंबस्ट इन योर 10th हाउस। 10th हाउस इज a house of your profession. 10th house is a house of your name, fame, prosperity, profession, your father. You need to be careful about your father health during this time because Jupiter is compassed and Jupiter represents your father and grandfather. Any elder man in your family, that is Jupiter. Aries, you need to be careful while talking with your father, while talking with your grandfather. You need to be careful while dealing with your father or grandfather. Aries, when Jupiter is combust, don't sign any new documents. Don't sign any new deal. Don't start anything new because this is not very productive time. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Jupiter is going to combust in your 9th house. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha or Antardasha, you will get 90% combust result in the terms of negative sense. Some overburden will irritate you from your workplace. Without any reason you are in stress. Sorry. You are trying to perform your best at your workplace, but your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. Your opposition, your enemies try to give you a lot of competition. This time from 19th Jan to 16th Feb 2021, Taurus, you need to be careful. This is not very productive time if you have a Jupiter Mahadasha or Antardasha. If you don't have Jupiter Mahadasha or Antardasha, then you need to be careful. 40-50% you will face a struggling time during these 28 days. Because you are trying to deliver your best at your workplace, but your good fortune is not in your favor, because Saturn is combust, Jupiter is combust. When these two planets, major planet of solar system, are going to combust, they will create a lot of hurdles, problems, delay. So don't try any new document. Don't give your money to anyone, otherwise you never get your money back, Taurus. But by the grace of God, Saturn and Mercury is also transit, Venus is also transit at the end of the January in your 9th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. After struggle, after hard work, you will achieve a lot of milestone. But you need to perform your best. You need to perform your 200% best at your workplace. Then you will get good results. Otherwise, you will see a lot of delay, lot of tension related to your workplace. Work burden will irritate you. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendant. Gemini Ascendant in 8th house, Jupiter is combust. Saturn is also combust. Jupiter is also combust. Jupiter is combust from 19 Jan 2021 to 16 Feb 2021. You need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. Give some respect. Give some, respect, or show your love in front of your father and grandfather. You need to take some blessing from your father's side. This is not very productive time. If you're finding a job, you are failed to find a good job. You are not mentally happy. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very down. You are feeling very low energy. Cancer, you need to perform, Gemini, you need to perform your best. Don't use any bad word. Don't show your attitude or ego in front of your elders at home. Try to perform your best. Give some respect. Show your love as a token of gift, as a love to your elders at home. You need to be in a good tie-up with your family and friends during this time. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation. You will be a part of any problem. Gemini, you need to be careful because this is not very productive time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Cancer, if you are in love relationship, then you need to be careful while talking with your lover. If you are married, then you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. If you are a business partner, you need to be careful while talking with your business partner. This is a time when your partnership will break up. That may be love affair, that may be business, that may be relationship with your husband or wife will be under shadow. Cancer, you need to perform your best at your personal relationship. Try to keep your mouth mum and perform your best. Don't show your ego. Don't be a part of any litigation or any conflict. Otherwise, you will face a lot of trouble. Jupiter, Saturn, both are combust in your 7th house, which is not very good position. Must start meditation every day morning, 40-45 minutes. Must read Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru every day morning when you start your day. Satnam Shri Vaheguru. Must read this mantra. You will see big change. You will see miracle in your life. You will feel positive energy. Vaheguru send you a lot of blessings to you. Cancer, you need to perform your best at your personal life. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you are a businessman, your business is not running as per your expectations. You will see a lot of up and down in your professional life. Cancer, try to do your best. Must visit Gurdwara Sahib or temple every Thursday or every Saturday. You will be sky high. You will be top. If you are performing these type of remedy, visit religious place and chant this mantra Satnam Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. You will definitely achieve lot of milestone. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.